Hello, kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo? Ako nga pala, nandito. Okay, okay. Hello sa inyo. Konnichiwa, ano sa'yo? Sarangwe, hello sa inyo. So, ito place. Yan. So, welcome sa aking bagong TikTok account. Ito ang bago kong video TikTok. Welcome. Merry Christmas. Ngayong September, bago mag-December. And Happy New Year na din sa inyo. Hello, welcome. So, yan. Yan, welcome sa inyo. Welcome. Hello. So, ito place. Okay. So, may pa na. Hello. Welcome sa akin TikTok. Welcome. Okay. Ako ay si AI Boat 2025. Account name. So, welcome. Hello. So, ito place, ito. So, yan. So, yan. So, welcome sa inyo. Welcome. So, recently uploaded na 2 video sa aking TikTok at itong isa na bago kong video ngayon ay pangatlong upload. So, welcome sa inyo. Welcome. Magandang umaga, Metro Manila, Philippines. Welcome. Hello sa inyo. Kamusta na kayo? Welcome. So, ito ang buhay ko sa Mangandos, Barangay Merville, Squatter, Parañaque City. Welcome. Hello. Hello sa inyo. Welcome. So, nice to meet all people in video system app of TikTok. And welcome to you, our vision welcome. 6th generation network telecom in 2030 year. And will become the 2050 year, the quantum qubit future technology, computerized genius quantum qubit 2050 year. And now then is waking up about and welcome to us. And we apologize to hold back up of the system, the future electricity technology in 2100 year. Welcome. And now the finale is about the 2500 years future is about to discover the other planet, the other place in the universe planet, to exploration in the future in 2500 years AD. Welcome to our vision. This is the pure technology science, and we are negotiate the business corporate, and we are company about, and we talk about them, and we had you about, and it become the future on 3000 years AD to build up the city future in 3000 years AD, and we become an highlights to the predicted future in 3000 years AD, and we come out to the next future in 5000 years AD, and we become it to exploring the Mars vision future build up in Mars planet. And now they have Coast Eben, and we have Eben Wiley, and we initiation mission how the future and vision of the system of supernova god AI. And we have deepened and hold me down here for one. And we as fortune, and we become an opponent, and that as cost living in the future of the future Tesla technology in 2100 years AD. The electronic Tesla technology are becoming yet in the future has become the build-up of the fiber technology building in the future of 1 million years AD, and we become our business partnership by the science fiction science anatomy, and we don't even is caused by thing, and we don't cause us even, and how they heal about define as look around, and we as cause yet, and we even as deeper sound, and that the AI sound system creation and movie AI creation, the phantomic of the AI futuristic have become the both system robot AI in the future of 1 trillion years AD. High definition of the is about, and we become yet to opposite the future of the business AI is company in the summit of the AI composite, and we become yet uncomposed, and we has known foretell somewhere what is become yet a portion thing about has caused yet even, and we cause opposite time we look around them, and we depend find out, and we look around the thing as caused by it mean, and how do you depend know shown about, and thing I show you to know to see what did not has no mean, and we become as cause was, and we have let is seen me, and we down his ping, and I don't know it even there is mine, and we have the technology of fibratic of the generation telecom, and we it nomin the hyper one civilization telecom in pass depends 0 seconds internet pass, and is a dot system seconds internet pass in one civilization future, and how they can is one look around, and we has deepen out, and we yet and show you by, and we that thing as no mean as let, and we know say look around, and the future of the planet Earth is become an opposite of the science methodology. The science meto is about to metera, and we that opposite API technology. An autonomous partnership international country are becoming yet to become as composing of the year past of the future decade year era, the technology era decade. We become the technology era decade has composed, and that the last part of this opposite of the video last part in the 10 minutes of the uploaded video, and now even the uploaded video last part, and is writing about to see what happened to read out to pass to and commune, and we become has cause even as no look around, and become was thing about to reach up ago one thing about to read and no say, and we become yet as caused by eating, and no depend AI future technology of the era technology decade. Bye bye and bye bye. Thankfully, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to all of the video watcher in all part of world Earth. Thanks for watching Future. Bye.